What's up, you guys? So, Tia and I decided that we were going to try to put together our own kitchen island. After researching and price comparing, I got this bright idea that we could actually do this project ourselves. We were going to buy all new cabinets and hardware, etc. But instead, we came across a great deal. And because I am a bargain shopper, y'all know how I am, we found a nice used vanity at our local thrift store. $48, y'all. Yeah, you heard me right, 48. We knew that we could take that and turn it into something that we wanted. And that's just what we did. So this is the island, the body right now put together. So these are just like big cabinets, and then there's a drawer, and then 3 drawers or whatever. So as you can see, the trash can does fit under there right now, but we're gonna raise this up some so that it can be higher, because right now, what's the average foot of this right now, T? It's like 2 feet? No, it's 3. It's right at 3, and we need it to be 3.5.
31 inches high.
I said 3 feet. Well, that's right. No, 36. Okay.
So it's a little bit.
Little over 2.
So we're gonna raise it to. We're gonna raise it to 35. Well, it's gonna be 34, and we're gonna have a 1-inch top, so it'll be level with.
So it'll be level pretty much with these right here, and we're gonna get a nice like a wood block to go on top instead of the countertop that we got now. So we're just gonna be the island or whatever. So that's the route we're going with now. So T is gonna get measurements in his head to figure out how we're gonna do the base. And then once we get that done, I'll show you the process of what he comes up with tomorrow when we do the base. And then when we get the top to go on, we'll do that. So right here in the back, as you guys can see, we're gonna have to get the side paneling, or I guess that's what you call it, to go on the back of the on the back of here, so that we can close it in, because as you can see, this was once a vanity. This is where their sink area was. So that's the reason why you see that closed, the holes and stuff. So we're gonna fix that. This is part 1 of the island making, y'all, and I am very, very pleased right now. I'm very, very pleased. I put my ideas in, he put his ideas in, and we're gonna make it come together. So alright, y'all, so we're back at Lowe's and we're in the lumber area. I already picked up my circular saw, and hubby is getting ready to do some measuring on this so that he can figure out how he wants to build the base. So we purchased 4 1/4-inch thick 2x2 plywood sheets, and then we got 2x4 by 8 feet long, and then T cut them down to 81 inches in length, and then we got 2x4 by 2 feet long that he had to cut down to 18 inches, and he's just using a regular circular saw to do this project, and then I just came in to help him hold it down. So right here, we are just showing you part of the base. He is going to be using 2.5-inch wood screws to hold this base together. He's using 2 screws per each side. So he's going to go in at the top right there, and then he's going to go in again at the bottom, and you'll do it on each side. So right here, he is just taking the 2x2 plywood sheets that we purchased, and he is going to place them down on top of this base and just making something for the vanity to have, you know, to be able to sit on top of without going through. And he's just going to nail it down to make it secure. All right, you guys. So for the most part, the base is built, and it came out pretty good. He did a good job on it. We brought it outside because we're gonna have to sand down the rough edges on it, and I'm gonna have to eventually paint this. But he just took a regular sander, and you can see where the rough parts are, like right in there. So he's going to take the sander and just grind that down so that it can be smooth. But so when I get ready to paint it, you know, the wood chips and stuff won't come off on it. But it looks pretty good. What you guys think so far? So I guess I should pop on here and let you guys know that the sander that we're using is a Hyper Tough sander that I got from Walmart, and I love the sander. It does the job. It's really nice. And the circular saw that we got too is a Hyper Tough circular saw, and as you can see, my husband does really well with it, and yeah, they were very user friendly. All right, y'all. So right here, I'm just using the Walmart brand Color Place paint, and it's just in white. It was all the ready to be used kind. I'm going to paint this whole base white because my cabinets are white. And since it was such a pretty day outside, I decided to do it out there so that it could air dry fast, and that way we could bring it in quickly. So right here, we're showing you guys what we're going to be using as our countertop, and that is, believe it or not, a wooden door. Yeah, you heard me right, a wooden door that we found at one of our local cabinetry places. They sold it to us for $25. Yeah, y'all. And lucky for us, it did not have the cutout of the door in it, and we loved it. We took it, like ran with it. So we were really excited about it. It was 80 inches in height, 32 inches wide, which gave us the right amount of overhang. Yeah, couldn't have been any better winning. Right here is us just showing you what the kitchen island looks like on the base, and T did a very good job. By all means, it does have imperfections. We're not any type of carpenters or anything. We just winged it and worked with it the best way that we could, and it was perfect for us. We're out early this morning at Lowe's. As you can see, the sun is still rising and it's kind of damaging. This is where we are. And we had to come here so that we could pick up paneling to go behind our, behind the kitchen island. So that's the paneling that I chose. We also had to get some stripping. Let me help hubby for a minute. Alright, you guys, so here's the finished product of the island, and we've already started putting stuff underneath and all of that, but yeah, it may not be perfect to some, but it is like super duper perfect for us, and we're so proud of it. We really love the way that it turned out. Let me show you That's what the door part looks like, or the top of it. I've already stained it. And then as you can see back here in the back where we've done the paneling, it looks really good, you guys. Like, I'm super proud of my husband and myself for coming up with this idea and just making it work for us. So yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. Talk to us down in the comment section below. I will try, well, it's really nothing that I can link to tell you guys, because most of the stuff we got, you know, thrift or whatnot. But yeah, we're super proud of it. Yeah, stay tuned to see what else we do.